Hello, my name is Udeep Sahan, and this is my demonstration for the Jenkins Continuous Delivery Pipeline task. And in this video, I will show you the pipeline that I just created here and explain the 6 stages and run the job so you can see the results. So this is my Jenkins job name as SIT223 Pipeline US. And see the code here. Yeah. So this is the script that I wrote, and the path is shown here. For this assignment, I used the pipeline script option, as you can see here inside Jenkins, and I just wrote the configurations here. And the pipeline contains 6 stages: build, test, code quality check, deploy, approval, and deploy production. So I also define the environment variables for the directory path. They already shown here. Testing environment as in initial one, and product environment, which in my case uses my name as required. So here's my Jenkins file. Let me save. Yes, and I already checked it. You can see here. It worked. So this is the output. So in the build stage, it brings the message about fetching the source code from the directory path and compiling the code. So this is the build part, build stage. Compile the code and generate my necessary artifacts. And in the testing stage, it prints the message for both unit test and integration tests. As you can see here, unit test and integration test. And then for the code quality check stage, it prints a message to check the quality of the code. So as you can see here, still environment. And as the next stage, the deploy stage, you can see wait in 10 seconds, deploy the production, deploy the code, production environment, and then the approval stage comes and it completed. Finally, in the deployment and production stage, it prints the message about deploying to the product environment using as my name right here. So you can see the console output did print expected messages. For example, in this build stage, it says fetching the code like that. And let me show you the stages. See here, all the stages are done. You can see build, testing, code quality check, deploy, approval. Nothing went wrong. So this concludes my demonstration of the Jenkins Continuous Delivery Pipeline, and thanks for watching.